Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody's trying to make this shape, and I'm trying to help them a little bit. If you go from that edge to that edge, you have 1.5. If you go from this edge to this edge, you have 1.5. And if you go kind of at a 90-degree angle, you got 1.5. So that's how to do it. I think this one actually looks better. But what he's trying to do is he's trying to take a rectangle and make it 6 by 12. I got my ratio unlocked. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to go ahead and move these other ones out of the way. And what he's doing, he's Control D and make a duplicate, and then he thinks, well, I'll hold down the Shift key, but it doesn't do it proportionally. Now, one thing you could do to get it perfect, this is a 6 by 9 square, so Control D and see this percentage, but we could just go, 4 by 9, 4 by, maybe 3 by 9. Yep, 3 by 9, and now we're perfect. And then just take this, you think you could just round off this corner with this ratio lock, 3 inches, and then do 2 inches because it's less than that. But the shape's not right. It's thicker here. If we take and the best way to do this, to get accuracy, is grab that, go up to object, convert it to a curve, grab these two nodes, and add a node, and it'll put a node right in the middle, and then take a 2-point line. We'll actually take a 2-point line and make it 1.5 inches long. And you can see that it fits up here, but if we stick it on this node, there's the node, and we double click on it and move the rotation of that node and rotate it 45 degrees, you can see that the curve isn't right, it's short. So the best way to do this, I think, is let the contour tool do it. So go up to Effects, Contour, and contour to the inside with rounded corners and hit Apply. That way you get an exact curvature of the original curvature. So it's going to be 1.5 inches everywhere. If we take our parallel dimension tool and we measure from there to there, we get 1.5 inches. There to there, we get 1.5 inches. Let me zoom in so you can see that. And then if you do it from here to here, you get 1.5 inches. So it's 1.5 inches all the way around. So use the contour tool. Hope that helped. Thank you.